Meet the newest member of my little hat family. Today, I'll show you how to crochet this adorable women's hat keychain step by step. It's super easy, beginner-friendly, and works up really fast. So grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. To begin, hold the yarn around your fingers just like this and make a magic ring. To make the magic ring, wrap the yarn around your middle finger until a loop forms. I'm using a 2.5mm crochet hook. Insert your hook under the loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Chain 2. These chains are only for height. Now we're going to work 18 double crochets into the magic ring. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Next, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 2 to start round 2. In this round, we will make 1 double crochets in each stitch. At the end of this round, you still have 18 stitches. When you reach the end of round 2, make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Chain 2. These chains won't count as a stitch. In round 3, make 1 double crochet in each stitch. At the end of this round, you still have 18 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Now we're going to start working on the edge of the hat. Chain 3. In the first stitch, make 2 triple crochets in the same stitch. One, and 2. Then, in the next stitch, make 2 triple crochets as well. One, and 2. Now chain 3. Skip 1 stitch and again work 2 triple crochets into the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 triple crochets. Chain 3. Now repeat the same pattern. 2 triple crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. Chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and continue working across. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the first stitch. Cut the yarn. Use a needle to weave in the yarn tail. Now we're going to crochet the bow. Make a magic ring and chain 2. Make 2 double crochets into the magic ring. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic ring. Cut the yarn. Wrap the yarn tails around the center of the bay and secure them with a knot. Cut the yarn tails. Take a piece of yarn to add some decoration around the hat. Glue it in place. And then attach the bow on top of the yarn decoration. Feel free to attach a keychain ring to turn this into a cute hat keychain. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.